This Acholi woman with working, all the time working. Can't you rest?
You woman, I cannot rest.
How are you anyway?
I'm okay.
Working. Can't you rest?
Let me work. You see, all these children are mine. I have to work.
My dear, where is your husband?
Don't ask me about that stupid man. He has gone there to drink alcohol, leaving me here suffering with his children.
Can't you use family planning? That's how your husband is.
My husband cannot allow me to use family planning.
How about Uwe?
I'm fine.
Thank God you've come. I was talking to my friend to use family planning. You see, all these children are hers.
I'm seeing. But do you think she's alone?
I'm also with you.
Hey!
As you see, I'm going to go. I'm also cooking local brew, the Kong, the alcohol. So I have a lot of children like her. They're there at home. I'm supposed to feed them. My husband also goes for drinking like hers. And mine doesn't come back home. Doesn't like family planning. So she's not alone.
Thank God mine allows me to use family planning. That's why I have only 2 children.
Men of nowadays, they're not easier. They can even beat you.
Your husband beats you.
Mine even says that if I try to use family planning, I will be evil.
Hey, these people with gossip.
So you boys are gossiping here.
What should we do?
Thank you so much, our viewers. I'm by the name Maringo Proscovia.
And I'm a Monya vendor.
What about you, our viewers? What have you learned from the skit?
You can subscribe, like, and as a viewer, leave a comment on our YouTube channel, Lakwe TV.